How to use Walmart gift card on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use your Walmart gift card on Amazon. Well, can you use the Walmart gift card on Amazon? Well, yes. Now Walmart gift card is a Visa gift card and it can be used anywhere where Visa gift cards or Visa cards are accepted in the US. And similarly, Amazon accepts Visa cards, so you'll be able to use your Walmart Visa gift card. Now how you can do so, you can simply open up Amazon and then head into your account, right? Here now you can tap on the profile icon that you can see right there. And here you can see the option that says your account. Beside it you can see all. You want to tap on see all. Once here you can scroll down below, and here under payments you should be able to see manage gift card balance. You can tap on it there, and here you can see redeem another gift card. Now first you might want to try it here, but if it doesn't accept your card here, then what you can do is on the checkout page, during the checkout, while you're headed for payment, there on the payment option you want to select the option Visa card and then add in your payment, your gift card details there, like you do for a normal debit or credit card, right? So select the option Visa card and then add in your gift card details like a normal card, and you'll be good to go. So hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.